This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2003-2006 Chevy Suburban's key fob, LHJ011. A dead battery is a common issue, and this DIY fix saves time and money. Replacing the battery yourself is very easy and should only take 5 to 10 minutes. No special tools required. The LHJ011 key fob is the remote control for your 2003-2006 Chevrolet Suburban. It handles essential functions like remote locking and unlocking your doors, activating the panic alarm, and in some cases, remote starting the engine. This key fob is powered by a standard 3-volt CR2032 coin cell battery, which provides the energy needed for its internal radio frequency transmitter. This transmitter sends signals to your vehicle to perform these functions. The schematic shows how the key fob's components work together, including the transmitter that sends RF signals to communicate with your car's receiver module. An important note: after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram the fob to ensure it syncs properly with your vehicle's system. We'll cover that in a later section. Before starting, gather these simple tools: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or keyring removal tool. Also grab a small cloth to protect the surfaces. First, you'll need a new CR2032 battery. Next, a small flathead screwdriver or a keyring removal tool as an alternative. Finally, a small cloth to protect surfaces. To disassemble the key fob, carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam of the plastic casing. Gently pry it open while being careful not to damage the rubber gasket, which seals against moisture. This step is the trickiest, so be patient to avoid breaking the fob. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Pay close attention to the battery's polarity, with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side faces up to maintain proper contact. Be careful not to touch the battery terminals directly with your fingers, as this can cause corrosion and affect the fob's performance. Carefully snap the key fob case back together. Ensure it's aligned correctly to maintain a tight seal. Improper alignment can lead to water damage. Press firmly until you hear it click shut. In some cases, you may need to reprogram the key fob after a battery change. Consult your Chevy Suburban's owner's manual for specific instructions. This often involves cycling the ignition or using a dealer scan tool. Some newer vehicles may require professional reprogramming, costing $50 to $100. Remember to check your manual first, as procedures may vary. Here are some important tips, safety guidelines, and future trends for your key fob maintenance. Always check your fob's functionality after replacing the battery to ensure it works properly. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for sustainability and to reduce waste. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery at designated recycling centers to protect the environment. Automotive experts recommend annual battery checks to avoid unexpected lockouts and ensure reliability. As technology advances, smartphone-based digital keys may reduce reliance on physical fobs, offering more convenience. Follow these tips for safe and effective key fob maintenance.